G'day guys, this is my first unboxing. I'm mainly going to do Zippo lighters, anything I really receive in the mail. Yeah, hope you guys like it. Go ahead to open this. Hang on for a sec. Wow, Jesus. It's a lighter I've been waiting for a while. If it focuses, where are we? It's the Old Nick Devil lighter. Yeah, we'll take a look at it. She's beautiful. As you can tell, I have opened this before, but oh well. Beautiful lighter. I've had no problems with it before. I've had it for about 2 days so far. Yeah, I've definitely got more lighters to come. Yeah, light's beautiful. Yeah. So, yeah. If you can please rate, subscribe. I'll get better at this video thing, but yeah. Thank you.